Nibiru, Gabriel, and the Judgment. February 22nd, 2012. The rejected capstone that Jesus referred to from the Psalms 118 verse 22 is 305.0 pyramid inches high. Hebrew 3050 is jar. Is jar in the New Testament? No. The New Testament is a Roman Pharisee Sadducee construct, but why? To the apex of the capstone, it measures 305.0 pyramid inches high. With the CAD program, the gravitational center point of a pyramid can be found precisely. And here is the gravitational center point of the capstone. It is 101.66667 pyramid inches from the base, and the base itself measures 479.07979, and that should be pyramid inches wide. To the apex, it measures 305.000 pyramid inches high. The completed whole pyramid from the gravitational center point of it measures to the apex with the capstone in place 3,875.34220 pyramid inches high. And that is a reference to John 14:16, 14:26, 15:26 and 16:7. That number 3875 is the distance in nautical miles, and it is the word comforter in the Greek concordance. So 3875 is the word comforter. 3422 means a record or memorial, and that's exactly what the Great Pyramid is. It's the altar to the Lord in the midst of Egypt, and it is a record or memorial to him in this time now. It is the Bible in stone. It has to be, and it predates all religion, built by men of extreme intelligence, guided by their heavenly angels. They were obedient to lay the pyramid out to very precise and exact measurements, because it was a prophecy to unfold now in these days, the end of days, and it is all about the resurrected, returned, rejected capstone, the Lord Jesus Christ, Yahweh. Today is Brian Leonard Golightly Marshall. It's all about him. Now, to Yahweh's rebirth place at 105 Rothschild Avenue in Sydney, Australia, the measurement in nautical miles to the South Pole is the word comforter. Do you see the synchronicity of how the pyramid identifies who it is that's revealing the mystery to you? The sides of the pyramid are square at 9131.06 pyramid inches, each of them, times 4, 36,524.24 pyramid inches. And of course, you would recognize that 365.2424 days equals a solar year. So the base of a pyramid is on 100 solar years, each side being 25 years. The gravitational center point of the pyramid is 3050 pyramid inches from one side, reduced by 286.1 pyramid inches. Now, the sacred name of Yah is numbered 3050 in the Strong's Concordance, where there are 8,674 words in the Hebrew section, 5,624 in the Greek section. It is only James Strong's 1830 Concordance. Again, he and 100 other academics inspired by the heavenly realm to list all of the words in the 1611 King James Version of the Bible only. That is what makes the King James Bible holy. It is the numbers only, not the words. Now, when you subtract Yah 3050 from the total of the Hebrew words 8674, you are left with the Greek New Testament at 5624, making a statement. Yah has been taken out of the New Testament. Years 8.674 expressed as years is 3168 days. Lord Jesus Christ is 3168. In Greek gematria, Lord has a value of 800, Jesus has a value of 888, and Christ 1480. Added all together is 3168 and is the key to the house of David. It is all genetic. A planet in retrograde appears from our Earth perspective to stop its orbital motion to appear to reverse direction. Jupiter reversed on August 30th, 2011, and then on December 24th, 2011, it will appear to reverse direction and move east to west. This leaves a time period between December 24th, 2011, as it travels across the sky to be at the same location when the reversal began on August 30th. The midpoint lines up with the Sun, Nibiru, Earth, then Jupiter on February 22nd, 2012. That's the beginning of the retrograde, August 30th, 2011. And there it goes. And then the reversal again, December 24th. It stops, moves backwards, left to right. Judgment Day, 22nd of February 2012, the halfway point. Back from right to left. The judgment reached and sentence revealed is against the morning star Lucifer, represented by Venus. Now the sentence will be revealed on March the 3rd, 2012. Just as in a court of law, judgment is made, and then depending how long the jury is out, sentence is announced at a later date. Here it is, the beginning of the retrograde. December 24th, the Satanic Ritual date. Judgment, 22nd of February 2012, the halfway point, and then sentence announced March 13th, 2012, 20 days after 22nd of February. Now Nibiru, this is a shot taken over several hours and shows the positions of the singularity. It can only be seen with infrared cameras. The next slide, the glare centers where Nibiru should be, held in the center of the sun, blocking extreme heat and light from the sun's surface. We see the planet is off to the left in balance with the heavenly descending Eden planet, the soul of the earth. When the shot was taken, November 3rd, 2011, there were 111 days, 111, to arrive at Judgment Day, February 22nd, 2012. Then there will be 20 days of grace until sentencing on March 13th, 2012, and then a final 20 days until execution. And that happens to fall on the anniversary of the crucifixion, which occurred on April the 3rd, 33 AD. You can see there the reflection of Nibiru off the sea, that marvellous shot. We're at Coulomb when these were taken. Now from March the 13th, 2012 until December 21st, 2012, there's a period of 312 days, and that just happens to be the name of God. Brian 44, Leonard 69, Go Lightly 115, and Marshall 84 in English gematria, when you add them all together, is a total of 300.